Hello viewers, welcome to Kotlin Programming. Today I will show the basic overview of a Kotlin programming. Kotlin programming defined as a Kotlin equal to Kotlin plus Java updated new features. What is Kotlin? Kotlin is a new open source programming language like Java, JavaScript, etc. It is high level, strongly statically type language that combine functional and technical part in the same place. Kotlin target Java and JavaScript. It run on JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Its primary development is from a team of JetBeans programmer based in Saint Petersburg, Russia. Now stable version is 1.2. Kotlin file extension kt.kts designed by JetBeans. So Kotlin is open source programming as like Java, JavaScript. Uh, it's the Kotlin target Java and JavaScript. It run JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It actually Kotlin developed by JetBeans programmer. Current stable version is 1.2. File extension kt.kts. It designed by JetBeans. So what is the advantage of Kotlin? Actually, it is easy language. Kotlin is a functional language and very easy to learn. The syntax is pretty much similar to Java, hence very easy to remember. Kotlin is more expressive, which make user code and readable and understandable. Concise. Kotlin is based on JVM and it is functional language. Thus, it reduces lots of boilerplate code used in other programming languages. Runtime and performance. Better performance and small runtime. Interferability. Kotlin is a mature enough to build an interferable application in less complex manner. Brand new. Kotlin is a brand new language that gives developer a fresh start. It is not a replacement of Java. Mm, Through its developed over JVM, it is accepted as a fast official language of Android development. So Kotlin is a fast official language of Android development. So Kotlin equal to Kotlin plus Java extra update new feature. Kotlin for using Kotlin for server-side application. If you want to develop the server-side application, then you can use the Kotlin. Using Kotlin for Android application. If you want to develop Android apps application, then we can use the Kotlin. If you want to the JavaScript application, then we can use the Kotlin for JavaScript. Kotlin has a native version. Kotlin used for Kotlin or native. Kotlin installation and environment setup. And there are two things need for Kotlin setup. One is the Java installation. Java install Java 8 or more version. Here is the link of Java JDK download link. There are a number of ID available over the internet. You can use them any of your choice, NetBeans, Eclipse, IntelliJ. So we will use the IntelliJ idea. So we need to install the IntelliJ idea, IntelliJ ID installation, IntelliJ idea. Here is the link of download IntelliJ ID. Thank you so much.